isipin mo lahat niyan eh. It's because your immune system is down eh. Palakasin mong immune system, mag-shorten ang mga sakit nyo. O hindi ka tatamaan ng sakit na yon. Kung meron man lahat sa bahay eh, may sakit na, ikaw wala pa rin, no? Hindi ka naman nagdadasal na sana tamaan ka, no? Don't you find it a good investment? Yes, it is pricey. Yes. Ano bang gusto mong hindi pricey, di ba? Because the returns are 1 in a million eh. Hindi ka na magkakasakit, hindi ka gagastos sa hospital, which is magkano, di ba? We have been saying that at the start of the campaign of this particular product, gaano kalaki ang nagagastos mo ma-hospital ka. And it's not only that. Yung iyong opportunities na nawala, millions, yung iyong pagtatrabaho na nawala dahil nagkasakit ka, hindi ka na makapasok, di ba? And yung priceless moments with your family, with your children, di ba? Na nakakapag-bonding kayo na wala dahil nagkasakit ka. Yan ba ay mabibili ng pera? I doubt it. So, for me, it is one of the best investments that you will buy, you will take, no? Maganda. If it's for your health, go for it. Ganun perme ako eh. You only have one life, you only have one health. Make the most out of it. Life is short.
Ayan, napunto ni Doc Francis. It all boils down, no? That Elixir Placenta improves our immune system. And sabi nga ni Doc Francis, this is the best investment that you can have for your health.
Yes, definitely. Mahirap kasi maglitany ng mga material things. May Mercedes-Benz ako, may ganito akong mansion, may ganon. Pero look at Steve Jobs, di ba? With his health failing, what can these things do for you at this point? Where was his investment? And he himself said that, no? I should have invested in my health, no? Indirectly saying it, na all these years, nagpakahirap ako magtrabaho. At an early age, ang laki, millions ang kinikita ko. He sacrificed his health to get so much wealth, di ba? At the end of the day, you were spending your wealth to get back your health, which you cannot do anymore, no? You spend millions and millions, may balik lang yung health ko. And it could not happen. Nobody can give it back to you. Masyado nang marami ang nawala sa'yo eh, sa immune system mo eh. Na you could not even. And even if magpa-stem cell siya with all the money that he had, wala eh. Late stage na siya eh, nang tinamaan eh. So anyway, let's not go down that road anymore. Basta, if it is for your health, go for it. Believe me. Walang mali doon. Secondary na lang yung kumikita ka, no? Paano ka kikita kung may sakit ka, di ba?
True.
Sige.
And ayan na, no, isang doctor na nagsasabi sa atin yan that it's okay to take the Elixir Placenta. And yung nag-testify kanina sa atin is also a doctor who is taking the Elixir Placenta. Kaya we will never go wrong with our product, with this premium product. Okay, so thank you very much, Doc Francis.